There are three ways to view data entries in the web portal. Feed view displays data entries as they arrive in the system, with the latest showing at the top. Each data entry shows the person that completed the form, the title of the form, and the form version. Hovering over the time received reveals a timestamp. The status of media files submitted with the form is displayed with a count of the number received and total expected. There are various actions available for each data entry submission. View entry provides a vertical list of all data fields that were answered by the user. It can be printed and exported as a PDF. Export data allows an admin to export the data using a custom template or system generated. Connector logs displays the status of all form connectors configured to execute for the selected data entry. Table view redirects to another data entry view that displays the submission in table format. We will visit this view in a moment. Show map displays the data entry on a map, which will also be covered soon. Filters can be applied to narrow down the data entries to locate specific submissions. Choose a form or user. Specify a date range. Use keywords to narrow the filter results even further. Use the reset button to clear all filters. Choose a form for table view. This view displays all form submissions and is version specific. Use the drop-down to change the version context. In the table itself, rows represent data entry submissions, and columns are fields from the form. Scroll to the right to view more columns. Note that some column values contain a link. View group displays data contained within a repeating table. View image displays the media captured. Rows may be sorted by the column by clicking on the column header. Adjust the number of visible rows using the drop-down. Additional pages of rows can be viewed by clicking the page number links. Hover over the timestamp of a data entry to view the number of media files uploaded. Export options for the data entry are available by clicking the Action button. View the form connector logs by clicking the Next Action button. Rows may be filtered by the user that submitted the form. Find specific data entries by using a keyword search. Use the date filter to narrow submissions by the provided time periods or custom range. Choose a form for the map view. Data entries are displayed as pins on a map. Click on a pin to view collected data for that submission. Scroll down to view all fields. The results are also version specific and may be adjusted in the drop-down. The same filters apply on this view, by user, keyword, and date range.